The MG Midget is a legendary compact sports car that holds a special place in automotive history. Introduced in 1961 as a successor to the Austin Healey Sprite, the Midget was designed to be an affordable and fun-to-drive vehicle that captured the essence of British motoring. Its lightweight construction and nimble handling made it an instant hit among enthusiasts, and it quickly became a symbol of accessible sports car performance. The first generation of the MG Midget, known as the Mark I, was essentially a rebadged Austin Healey Sprite Mark II with minor modifications. It was powered by a 948cc series engine producing 46 horsepower. The car was incredibly light, weighing just 1,500 pounds, which allowed it to deliver impressive performance despite its modest power output. The Mark I featured minimalist amenities such as side curtains instead of roll-down windows and a basic interior, emphasizing simplicity and driving pleasure. In 1964, the MG Midget Mark II was introduced, bringing several improvements to the design. The engine was upgraded to a 1098cc unit producing 56 horsepower, and the gearbox was enhanced with synchromesh on 3 of its 4 gears. This version also introduced roll-up windows and a better soft-top design, making it more practical for everyday use. These updates helped the Midget maintain its appeal in an increasingly competitive market. The Mark III version of the MG Midget arrived in 1966 and represented a significant leap forward. It was powered by a 1275cc engine derived from the Mini Cooper S, producing 65 horsepower. This engine gave the car more spirited performance and solidified its reputation as a driver's car. The Mark III also featured improved suspension, offering better handling and ride comfort, and its interior received modern updates, including more advanced instrumentation. The final iteration of the MG Midget, the 1500 model, was produced from 1974 to 1980. This version introduced a larger 1493cc engine borrowed from the Triumph Spitfire, which delivered 66 horsepower and improved torque. However, to comply with stringent U.S. safety and emissions regulations, the car was fitted with rubber bumpers and a raised ride height. While these changes affected the aesthetics and handling of the Midget, they allowed it to remain on the market during a challenging regulatory era. Throughout its production run, the MG Midget remained a favorite among driving enthusiasts for its engaging performance and timeless design. It was a car that prioritized the connection between the driver and the road, delivering a pure and unfiltered motoring experience. Its small size and lightweight construction made it a joy to drive on winding roads, and its affordable price ensured that it was accessible to a wide audience. The MG Midget also found success in motorsports, where its agility and lightweight design made it a strong competitor in club racing and amateur events. It was particularly popular in autocross and endurance racing, where its sharp handling and responsive nature allowed it to compete effectively against more powerful rivals. Today, the MG Midget is celebrated as a classic car that embodies the spirit of British sports cars. Its simple engineering and widespread parts availability make it a popular choice for restoration projects. Enthusiasts appreciate its charm, history, and the joy it brings to driving, and it remains a symbol of an era when motoring was about passion and enjoyment. The MG